Your friends want you every time I call. I know, you know, I've done nothing wrong. You can't help but try to write me off. You won't let me have it all. But I want to show you I want you, 'cause I can feel you hesitate. And I want to show you I want you, and I can feel that you're afraid. You've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. You make me want to prove it. Make me want to prove it. You keep me guessing, you keep me on my toes. But where you're going, I might never know. But usually I can see the finish line, but with you it hasn't crossed my mind. Yeah, I know that you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. 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 You make me want to prove I want to show you I want you, but I can feel you hesitate. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel that you're afraid. Oh, you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. 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 You make me want to prove it.
Running through my head, the things I wanna say. Reflecting on your eyes, what's inside your mind? You say it's hard to see cold. You're moving fast, I move slow. We're both losing control. You say it's wrong, I say right. You want it dark, I want light. We're both losing this fight. Now you're screaming all your thoughts, and now you're right back at you. We are mutually exclusive with two different points of view. Words go over both our heads, yet we're asking ourselves how. We don't listen to each other, we're just two mouths talking loud. Talking loud, talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now. We're just two mouths talking loud. Won't give it a rest, put patience to the test. Go on without an end, not making any sense. You say it's hard to see cold. You're moving fast, I move slow. We're both losing control. You say it's wrong, points of view. Words go over